Italian Days in Danang 2025 are important for many reasons. The first reason is that it's the first time we do something like that in Danang, and by the way in Vietnam. It's the first time we have a fair which is wholly Italian, with Italian participants, focused on the local market and the local partnerships. And I believe this is important. And we started with Danang because we singled out Danang as a partner which is very dynamic and very promising.
Very glad to have the opportunity to display Italian excellences today in Danang, because this is a key moment for the development of bilateral relations, which are already very, very good, and there is more potential due also to the administrative reform, which is expanding the importance and the size of Danang, which will get 10 times bigger in size and will also almost double in the number of inhabitants. This is a great opportunity for our business community to work and grow together.
Thì là một cái đất nước có một cái truyền thống văn hóa rất là lâu đời, và đặc biệt là cái sự chuyên nghiệp cũng như là cái văn hóa doanh nghiệp, và có nhiều doanh nghiệp cũng đang có cái nhu cầu mong muốn tìm hiểu đầu tư vào thành phố Đà Nẵng. Thì đây là một cái dịp hết sức có ý nghĩa để chúng ta kết nối, và thông qua đó thì các cái sản phẩm của Italia là những cái thương hiệu đã nổi tiếng trên thế giới rồi sẽ xuất hiện tại thành phố Đà Nẵng để góp phần thúc đẩy cái quá trình hội nhập của thành phố, nâng tầm cái chất lượng cuộc sống cũng như là cái kết nối giao thương giữa hai bên.
course, we have many Italian companies in many fields, many sectors, from the lifestyle to the green energy, from the design and also the services, high-tech, technology, innovation, agri-food. So they are very keen to find Vietnamese partner to promote their product, to increase the presence of Italy and Italian technology, Italian presence here in Danang and in central Vietnam.
Now, these meetings have been organized very well. So we had a lot of meetings before the event where we had some interesting contacts, and we already had taken some actions to follow up even after this event. And I really hope with the contacts we had before, with the ones we had now during the event, that there will be a lot of potential new projects also for us.